esan say yeah very professional team money din Sir John me twaso me marine fi say doctor or year examination no so me boni din Dr. Matthew B and a year sa ade no Sir John ababa awa no enema no bi omo hwe wo ne ho enie
Akoma FM
between time wa ade no allegedly e course so e dey asem bi o e dey asem wo se menyere
me se bono ho no bono tofa
nenye tofa ya na me boni
na between time wa afi na abetwim bono tofa ne ento aso
tofa boni mu nyina ne se ababa wa no ekọ hospital a ye coffee fi ni mu no omo kire se bibi ekọ so between ababa wa no ene the suspect intia no afi de tie ni
Akoma FM
afi me twa so afi enura baby a me wie ye
Ibrahim Azembe
Sir John we item 12
and you know mukai
or investi EFN way more man crama confused oral genital sexual contact and we name the way I say o twim okay eti lubricant box wa ha say e bia so what to be that
masa embreni ho
box no eno de yen take na che say you amfa bibia amfa bibia anya yi bia
so we
lubricant ne ye brand here no wo USC a mo so much na to me esi baby
wo enkomodie between
yes.
Ebi wo ho anema ne bi wo ho a omo examine no
yes
and omo de confirm ebi wo ho nso a enkomodie
okay so John yeah
or the way uhun way or the way you say there be or the way you say and or the way you say and
okay
e ho na wadri
all right
the end the examination
tie moving course ye busa ne say anaso mo hwe say satamo a enkita hodie no allegedly e course no na ababaawa no ebu ne nsa was the victim menstruating at the time of the assault Debbie na emuye no muninsa afi we say you any consensual coitus in the last 72 hours pacho we chemu say any consensual dey need say bia say consensual dey o matem mo hasem boa aha coitus dey eno dey metiase eno dey biology aha any consensual coitus in the last 72 hours pacho chirem see we ni brofo ne so ti wu chirem
me say na me chefi mu
na dey na femi ya also me so mento aso consensual coitus
wu ja fon to ope 2 minutes bresu ni ho
coitus no chese bia bibia akoso inhyiamudie bi akoso in the last 72 hours 72 hours say how many days no say 48 2 so 3 days and also so report on HSA Debbie. If yes, was a condom used? Because of say within the last 3 days no. In shemudie bi ankoso sa ababaawa no ana oba no ntem ene obi antem nti no eno so box 2 nyan so yade se yanteki bia. Is the victim pregnant? Ababaawa no nkutawudie bi a omusu se course 25th of July. Ebesi start time wa omo report to ya police force mo krata emom kopie mu Obuasi hospital no ababaawa na fa furu eno so Debbie. Sir John, any injuries in the victim resulting in bleeding, and also so Debbie say bia when ya preview on aseho ama bia moje tu no and so Debbie. Number of assailants. Sir John say you can say assailant na just say nipa ha ye ka suspect no meboa and also so baako. Ethnicity, race of assailant, if known, report no can say there be, and we omunim. Assailant
Akrana sem ne ka.
Akrana sem ne ka no. Akrana so wonim. Assailant relationship to the victim. Na say nkitahudi eda akra no ene nipa no a akra no kase oye ne sa no. Woye hoho stranger debi ene yanteke. Woye busuani relative debi yanteke. Woye acquaintance you obi a unim no. Ane. Eno di akra ne kan say ane. Any enquiry to the assailant resulting in bleeding and also so debi. Was any medication taken by the victim prior to or after the assault? Say Tamwa.
Trustway.
Na wosiri ansa na dwumadie no ebe koso no on the 25th no. Na akwa na fadru bi. Enu betimi aye palace. Nse no ni bi wo ha ye fa. Na aye ne ma bi. Nti ne ma mienu ba kokora wo kire me ba ko. Na nse kora se ba ko e frɛ ba ko Lydia wo na ka kire me. Wo na ka kire me. Me de na me secure na wo kan Lydia kire me. Wo na ka kire me. Aha. Na se mi na se fofra ba. Wadwo.
Woni me dey.
Wo ya dwuma family planning pen na. Anyways, nti omo busa na se anaso omo hwe se bia ofaduru ansana enhyemudie ne koso anase enhyemudie no ekoso wie no ofaduru Sir John eno so dabi enti eno no kire se unse bia bibusa se akra no omo hwe se bia wonyem anase wonyem ha enti eno so answer that question no. Was any coercion used na chese nipa no fa nada akwan bi so se eye hunehuna anase se bia eye nada bi pese utimi eye bibi nipa no ne akra ne yes ano Sir John aha no omoteke yes na chese ane iti aboso se waha yes no sweet money gifts others na Sir John coercion koso omochese ane ena afi so wanto tofi amano wanto wo amano wanto kati cake amano wanto cake amano wanto drink bi amano ni mama ni sika inti money no so omwateke yes
Asiska na 100 cedis
Asiska na 100 cedis. Was any threat used na chese bia one or try say or be convince akola no uhunehuna no ka chese wa mama anya
anaso wi ka so ko se bi o ko kan
ubewu
obi tia
meyiwadi ana meyiwe say Sir John eno no akola no nti eno no hwe box se wa ha se bia sekan o de sekan si ni so o de tuo si ni so otwe aba wo ni so omo aburu ene ye friend first anase bia o kasa bia anase bia others bit my duabo anase bia o ye sa ne mani na se others o ha duabo anase o ye sa ne mani nyina na eno no box no bia no e teke na che se eno no akora na nka me bia wo ho or say no threat used. Emotional demeanor of the victim. Tamwa ade no ekoso no akora na nka sa na no ho ye ne sen wojeje ho anase wosun ho was crying wosun angry na ne buafu agitated na chese wono ankasa na ne buafu pa lethargic and ya monchem kakra frightened na ehun bi atone so shocked na de na boni pusa ana depressed etc. akra no eya no se ono ankasa na why shocked pa na say ade na boni pusa. Description of the victim's outward appearance. Cloth torn.
Aka how many items?
Maybe akaba kope. Cloth torn. Shoes missing. So akra no se bia allegedly emfani mu no natare teteye ana bibisa ekoso na akra no se in fact as at time no more fifi akra ne amoni akra ne kasa na wasesa natare nti we are victim has changed cloth
senye dana isi na no koye
na Sir John was a victim summary description of the alleged assault accident referred to victim statement. Inti headmaster called her to send her on an errand, and pulled her into his room and raped her. Inti omo the stamp esi so. Doctor no a friend saying the stamp esi so. Dr. Matthew Abewi or something. The stamp is so and then the signature. Okay. And so was here. Meba answer. Meba. Un say enra me catch her say bi susu pie o baby say akra no na fuso no omo tro baby say omo hu be ma hu nsuo bi wo na fuso.
Omo hu e.
Akoma FM.
Be ma hu nsuo wo na fuso.
Evans-Nkum.
Meba.
Evans-Nkum.
Who report ni bi ana? Ukuta report no.
Debi.
Enti mo ano na tie.
No but okay, unti
ukuta report.
Me be say wo hu. Ansana. Ebi anaye the akwara ne kan but nye do mu hu ye.
Say time eba no.
Because we share the initial information I was sharing no ana. So we dware ane. Nti we dware no pepa ho. And on the 4th from I didn't see 25th. Nti me be so hu nya information nti na me bo di no. Nti hwehwe ni yi ansa no ka boka so mu hu ya. As a police phone who ya na some money. Because I did see ya I did bear 2 weeks and son they call there. As you say who on ne fusu dia na just say dan wo kono na bi akofa bibia pete ne fusu de call. Bi a wadware and now free on what chichi ne funu ho na.
Okay. All right.
Obetim dia ko dia dance.
Sir John.
Nti ho no.
No but I will look for it. Tobo me ba de tobo to mami. E pese enra me many boss statement in so.
Enti Evans-Nkum.
Okay, Sir John, eno ne wo report police statement no throw police station no can say yes
eyin bi gu
na fuso yes
but police for the
police for the man on report no or try
enti wey dey what kan ye den dey what kan
dey me kan yi se sia no doctor's report.
Okay,
doctor's report
this report no
yes
enwie ho a report we na police
and ebegina so
no me dey to ahwehwemu ne so
dey to ahwehwemu ne so yes sana meka.
Okay, nti doctor for say abaya no bibi akoso sa na mpacho no mu hwema me hwe so mbuza zo a virgin na de mbuza
Akoma FM 87.
Aya some person very important. So mo say e free ho no the last 3 days na onye
oni be me bia nshia coitus yes
no
be me bia nshia
onye agombia bia
yes
enti no na mpese mi hu se
nti ehwe se bia we virgin ana onye virgin
yes minim se omo
report no
oman kan ho se
yes antrem wo ho
okay
so a virgin ana onye virgin
ti see idea nsema akwara na koka and the doctor for investigation mo so aye
yes
examination
yes
and na omode
and someone
yes nti ekowie say omo esusu say obi aye ne bibi but doctors no cannot at this stage establish say head teacher and a ade no police and a betimi apeke no dey investigation we say why the committee is ade na me boa even though no di na o ma bo mo dey yes I need but
eno nche say
ono na
investigation
e be chere say you ono ana say you ono okay minua sikapa say okay all